Good morning, good morning, good morning. Alden Bynum, good morning. Ham and cheese, good morning. Cheese grits, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Alden Bynum, good morning. Never forget the fact that Steak and Shake was the first smash burgers. Never forget the fact that Steak and Shake were the first smash burgers. They had the square patty, if I'm correct, and they would smash that sucker down. They were technically the first smash burger, and we don't give them credit. I think they haven't totally went out of business, but I think they don't get their just due, and we overlooked it for the big burgers, which smash burgers right now. Smash Burger Styles, not the company itself, but Smash Burger Style. The Smash Burger Style is dominating burger culture. I'm not gonna say food culture, but just the burgers in general. They're not making those big, thick burgers and stuff like that. The Smash Burger era or style type burger is a big fad, a big thing going on right now. And I thought about it. I think, matter of fact, this is where I got the idea from. I just saw something on my timeline, my YouTube timeline, saying, "Whatever happened to Steak and Shake?" Right? So I'm like, dang, that's right. Steak and Shake. I remember Steak and Shake. I remember I worked there for a little bit, right? And as I thought about it, I was like, damn. The dude used to put the patty down, kind of smash it a little bit. Not, they had their particular, and that's how their burgers used to come out kind of quick and really kind of good. As it was then, I'm like, it's right. He smashed it a little bit, but not much. But I'm pretty sure, let me know if I'm wrong or right about this. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to check it out, though. So, man, this is real quick. This been Alden Bynum, man. I'm pretty sure, and I think so, that Steak and Shake was kind of the first smash burger type prototype place that did that. And we really didn't pay attention to it, I think, and understand it as they're doing now. Were they ahead of their time? We don't know. So should they go to that or go back to that or revert that? I don't know. So, man, let me know in the comment section. This was a kind of a quick one. Pause. Let me know if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Yeah. And make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. Peace.